A recruit in tactical gear and ear protection stands at an outdoor firing range. On-screen text: Southwest Wisconsin Technical College Law Enforcement Academy.
Down!
A recruit in tactical gear practices grappling with another recruit wearing protective padding. Two recruits are inside a police vehicle, driving on a paved road.
Down! Down!
A police vehicle drives through a cone course. A recruit's face is visible in the rearview mirror. A recruit fires a handgun at a paper target of a man, which shows bullet holes. Several recruits stand in a line at an outdoor firing range, facing targets. Recruits at firing range. A recruit points a blue training gun, while A recruit points a blue training handgun at another recruit in a hallway, lies prone on concrete, aiming a handgun, aims a blue training rifle from a doorway, fires a handgun prone on the sidewalk. Recruits practice with blue training rifles and fire handguns in prone positions at the outdoor range. Two recruits lie prone on a concrete slab at the firing range, aiming handguns. A recruit practices disarming another recruit holding a red training gun in a padded room.
Drop my guns! Drop my guns! Get back!
Recruits clear a room with training guns. Two recruits in tactical gear clear a room, aiming red training handguns. A recruit lies prone on concrete, aiming a handgun. Another fires a handgun. A recruit enters a doorway with a training rifle. A recruit aims a blue training rifle while entering a doorway. A recruit puts on ear protection at the firing range. Ear protection. Two recruits practice clearing a room. Three recruits in tactical gear clear a narrow hallway with training handguns. A recruit examines a paper target. A recruit examines bullet holes on a paper target at the range. A recruit in a red helmet practices handcuffing a prone suspect in a padded room while an instructor observes. In a padded room, a recruit practices handcuffing a suspect on the floor while an instructor watches. Two recruits clear a hallway. One with a blue training rifle, the other with a training handgun. Recruits clear a hallway and stairwell with training weapons. A paper target shows bullet holes. A paper target of a man shows numerous bullet holes. Two recruits ascend a stairwell, aiming red training handguns. An instructor demonstrates a technique to recruits at the outdoor firing range. A group of recruits descends a stairwell, aiming blue training rifles and handguns. Three recruits clear a hallway, one with a blue training rifle, two with training handguns. A recruit practices disarming another recruit with a baton in a padded room.
Get back!
An instructor talks to two recruits in a classroom setting. Three recruits clear a hallway, one with a blue training rifle, two with training handguns, while an instructor watches. Recruits practice clearing a hallway and a stairwell with training weapons. Three recruits cautiously descend a stairwell, aiming blue training weapons. A recruit cautiously descends a stairwell with a blue training rifle equipped with a flashlight. A recruit cautiously descends a stairwell with a blue training rifle equipped with a flashlight. A recruit smiles in the side mirror of a police vehicle. A blue car navigates a cone course on a snowy road. Two recruits are inside a police vehicle, driving on a road. A recruit smiles in the side mirror of a police vehicle. Recruits stand outside in winter gear. A group of recruits stands outside in winter gear, looking at the camera. A female recruit smiles while driving a police vehicle. Police vehicles drive on a road and through a cone course while an instructor observes. A police vehicle is parked next to an orange cone on a snowy road. A police SUV follows a pickup truck on a road. An instructor stands beside a police SUV parked among cones. A recruit in tactical gear smiles in the passenger seat of a vehicle. An instructor stands next to a police SUV parked in a cone course. An orange sports car drifts around cones, creating smoke. The Southwest Wisconsin Technical College logo appears. An orange sports car drifts around cones, creating smoke. The Southwest Wisconsin Technical College logo appears.